Here are my personal results from using YouTube Shorts, and in this video I will show you what I think is the best way to monetize YouTube Shorts. Hey guys, Greg Kononenko here, and on my channel I have been getting some insane results publishing YouTube Shorts videos, and I wanted to make this tutorial to show you how you can do the same, how you can monetize YouTube Shorts in the best possible way. It's quite easy to get tons of views on your YouTube Shorts videos if you apply the steps that I'm gonna show you in this video. Look at my personal results. Here are some of the most recent YouTube Shorts that I've published: 90,000 views, 230,000 views, 88,000 views, 87,000 views, 229,000 views, and so on. And I'm promoting so many products in so many different platforms. This is just one of the products that I'm promoting on one of the platforms, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do this so that you can start doing the same. Step one is to choose your niche. And for example, this channel here, Charisma on Command, is in the niche of self-improvement and how to become more charismatic, how to improve your confidence. And it's very important for you to choose a niche where people in this niche have an actual problem that they're trying to solve. So here we've got a group of people who are lacking self-confidence and they want to become more charismatic. The niche of my channel, Caffeinated Blogger channel, is making money online and people who are interested in increasing their income and developing a second stream of income. And the reason why this is important is because then you can recommend to your audience solutions to their problems. You can recommend certain products, for example, from an affiliate platform like ClickBank or Commission Junction, and you can recommend those products, and once you refer a sale to this product, you will get paid a commission for referring that sale. Check this out. These are some of the offers on ClickBank right now, and they're paying, for example, this product here, Live Pure, is paying $146 commission per sale, LP Lean paying $134 commission per sale. So you can just jump onto ClickBank and take a look at the different offers, what they pay, and this should give you some ideas on what kind of niche to jump into. Step two is to find a keyword for the next YouTube short that you're going to do. And let's take a look at this YouTube short on my channel as an example: $1,000 a day, faceless YouTube channel ideas. Okay, now if we take a look at the description, I've put this into the title of this YouTube short: faceless YouTube channel ideas to start in 2023. This is not a mistake. The reason why I did this is because faceless YouTube channel ideas is a keyword that many people type into YouTube search, and many of those people end up discovering my video as the result. Let's take a look at the analytics. So I'm just going to click into the analytics for this YouTube short, and you can see that the vast majority of the traffic for this YouTube short is coming from YouTube search. And if we look into it in a little bit more detail, well, guess what YouTube search term is the most popular? Faceless YouTube channel ideas. So I'm getting currently around about 1,000 to maybe 800, 900 views every single day from people typing this into YouTube search and discovering my YouTube short and then watching it. So targeting the title of your YouTube short to a particular keyword is extremely important. One of my favorite tools for that is vidIQ. You can find the link for a $1 trial to the premium version of vidIQ below in the description. But it lets you find some awesome keywords. There are a couple of ways I'm going to show you how to do this. You can jump into keywords and then you can enter some seed starting keyword such as YouTube channel ideas as an example, and then it will give you the search volume and the competition, but also over here you will find related keywords and it will also rank them, and anything that is green is generally a really good idea. This is how I got my idea for faceless YouTube channel ideas 2023, and this is why I made that video that I just showed you earlier. And the second way to use vidIQ to find keywords is to use AI Coach. You can ask it a question such as, based on my channel, what are the best keywords for a video about survey sites? And it will think about it, it will pull up real data from your channel, and it will give you an answer. So here we've got a list of keywords that are recommended for us, and we can go with something like best survey sites 2023 based on this data. Next step is making the actual video, and for that you can use any of the video creators out there. I'm going to show you how to do it using this particular video creator called InVideo. They have 3 pricing tiers. There is a free pricing tier if you just want to give it a test trial. You can sign up for free and you can learn how the software actually works. If you are serious about it, or if you become serious about it later on, you can sign up to one of the premium trials, which is Business and Unlimited. Now, in my opinion, I think the business one, the middle plan, is probably the best value because it's quite affordable. And if you use my coupon CB25, you can get an additional 25% discount to this price. So it ends up being just a little bit over $10 per month. So you can find the coupon and the link just in the description below this video. Once you've signed up to InVideo, you'll see a screen that looks like this. And from here, you can go and create a new video and just choose this option that says AI text to video. And from here, we can choose one of the suggested templates, browse through them, figure out which one works for you. But I'm just going to go with this one that says grab attention with your headline. Very important, on the right hand side, choose portrait because we're going to be creating a YouTube short. So this will give us a vertical version of the template, and click use template to continue. On the left hand side, we now have something that will save you a lot of time, and that's a feature that I really like about InVideo, and that is to ask AI to write your script. So just click in here, and here you can describe the script that you wanted to generate. You can give it a prompt such as YouTube short script about best survey sites to make money, because that's the keyword that we chose based on the previous step. And let's now click generate, and InVideo has now written this script for us. It was super quick and simple, and they've actually pulled up a list of websites that are survey sites that can be used to make money online. So it has done all of this hard work for you. From here, you can now create the scenes. So just tick all of these sources for images and websites and click create scenes, and InVideo will auto create this video for you, and then you can just make some final adjustments to fine tune that video. InVideo will create a draft of this video. You can look at it in the storyboard mode, or you can switch to the more detailed editor where you can make final changes and just fine tune it. One of the cool things that I really like about InVideo is that it's got a ton of built-in images and video footage that you can use for free as your own. So if you wanted to put in some video footage of money, for example, you can do that. Just type in money into the search box, and then it'll bring up all of these different video clips that you can use as your own. For example, here is an actual video clip of money, and it's all just a couple of clicks away. So it's really convenient in that way. Next step is to upload your YouTube short onto your YouTube channel. For that, go into your studio dashboard. At the top, click this create button and choose upload videos, and select the file with your YouTube Shorts video. Importantly, like I mentioned earlier on in the video, you want to make sure that you enter the title and the description, and you enter the actual keyword that you're targeting into the description. As per vidIQ, this is the keyword that we've decided to go with, best survey sites 2023. So make sure to add that into both your title and description. Something like this, 7 best survey sites 2023, the complete list, and then repeat something similar in the description. Something like this will do just fine. Scroll down to the area that says tags, and you will want to add a few tags that are similar to your main tag into this tag field. So I'm going to say best survey sites, comma, best survey sites 2023, comma, and if you're using vidIQ, you can actually boost this video, and it will give you a ton of other recommendations for what kind of tags to put into your video to maximize your views. Once again, the reason why it's important to use the keyword is because YouTube search actually brings in vast majority of my views, and that generates the real evergreen traffic on my channel from people just searching for these various keyword terms and finding my YouTube Shorts videos. Lastly, let's talk about the big one, monetization. The reason why we want to talk about this is because, let me show you something. If we sort all of the videos in my dashboard by views, you will see that I've had 2 shorts that have had over 1 million views. In fact, one of them now has had over 2 million views. Now let's look at the analytics for this short, and let me show you the total amount of revenue that I have made from a YouTube Shorts video that has had over 2 million views. And that is $52. I mean, this is quite ridiculous, guys. You know, it is a YouTube short, and my niche is probably one of the higher paying niches on YouTube, but I've only made $52 from YouTube ad revenue. So as you can imagine, to make any serious amounts of money from YouTube Shorts using YouTube ad revenue, you need to get tens of millions of views on each video, which is crazy, and it's just not going to happen. So this is the reason why you need to be implementing other ways of monetization on your YouTube Shorts. And for me, the method that I recommend and that I have been personally using is email marketing. At the end of each of my YouTube Shorts videos, I tell my viewers that if they want to learn more about what I do, or if they want to learn more about my personal favorite side hustle, they should click the link in the description or in bio. and I put in the actual link to my opt-in page in my description or in my bio. So you can see here, I'm telling them free training, how to make passive income online. Okay, and then I insert the link, which then opens up an opt-in page like this, where the viewers can enter their email and get instant access to my training. What that allows me to do is that allows me to build an email list, which I then use to market various products. And I used to also sell my own course as well. Doing this, I have been adding about 200 subscribers to my email list every single day, just from people watching my videos and clicking that link that I recommend to them. And other top channels are doing the exact same thing. Check out Charisma on Command. At the end of each of their videos, they're inviting people to check out their Charisma University. Okay, so if you click this link under this video, it basically opens up a page like this, where anyone who's watching their videos, they can join their course and this Charisma University, which is a recurring subscription. And that is something that helps this channel, Charisma University channel, to build an income stream online. And of course, they also publish YouTube Shorts. Their YouTube Shorts are getting a ton of views, and in many of their YouTube Shorts, they're also mentioning this Charisma University, which is an important way of building your email list and building the income online using YouTube Shorts. Because simply posting YouTube Shorts and hoping that you're going to get ad revenue is just not going to happen, guys. This video of mine with 2 million views only generated $52. So if you want to make money using YouTube Shorts, you need to be building your email list the way that I have just shown you earlier in this video. Virtually all owners of large channels have started implementing this method. For example, this is another channel, Dr. Mike, 11 million subscribers. He publishes content in the wellness and health niche, and check out what he does in his YouTube Shorts. For example, this most recent one that has had 2.5 million views. If we open it up and then we look at the description of this YouTube Short, you can see that he has linked to a few different links, and one of them is selling a course, enroll in the Professional Media Academy. And this is a $997 course, which allows him to also monetize his YouTube Shorts videos.